Yo, YouTube. So I know it's been like a month since I dropped a video, so I wanted to come on here and give you guys a video that will help save you guys money, but also it's educational. So if you find anything in this video right here informative, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, join the family, drop a comment as well if it's something that you want to know more about into depth that I didn't cover in this video. Leave it in the comment section. I try to get back to all my supporters, all my family members, you know what I'm saying, and just make it happen. So the product that I have right here is H42. I know Andis has this product as well. Oster has this product. I personally like to use H42 just because I know it kills HIV, which we know as AIDS. It kills odor, causing bacteria. It protects, it cleans, it lubricates. It does the whole 9 yards. And so using this product right here, you can use it on trimmers, clippers, anything with a moving blade. You can use this product on. And I know some people, they dip their shears in it, and it oils and lubricates their shears as well. So me personally, I haven't tried it, but I do definitely think that this would be a good product to use on your on anything that you're using to provide a service. So at the same time, as you guys can see, I got this plastic, brown paper bag right here. You want to use a napkin or just something under, because using this product right here, it does kind of get messy a little teeny bit. So just be mindful of that, but it's all worth it at the end. And I typically try to use this product right here on my trimmers, on my clippers, 2 times a month. Personally, I really don't use my Wahl Magic Clip, the metal edition or chrome edition, whatever you want to call it, that much. So I'm curious to see how much hair and debris or whatever the case may be might come out of this, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get right into it. So man, like I said in the beginning, if you find anything in this video informative or educational or just anything that you didn't know, hit that like button, drop a comment, hit the subscribe button, turn post notifications on, man. And without further ado, let's get into it. So what you want to do, of course, take the top off. Be careful with this product, man, because like I said, it definitely can get messy. And as you guys can see, it's a nice blue color. And what you want to do, take your time, pour it into a top or some type of container, and see how I waste a little teeny bit of it. It's a messy product, man. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So we're gonna move this over here. That way everything is just laid down. So what you want to do, before you even power on the clipper, open your lever all the way up. As you guys can see, it was in this position at first. I'll open it up and get right into it. And I know it says hold it in there for like 10 seconds, but I, honest to God, man, I like to keep it in there as long as I feel like no more debris, no more hairs coming out of the clipper or the trimmer. So we're gonna get right into it. Cut the trimmer on. Either you can do it like this, a clipper on, I mean, my fault. And just stick it in there, and then you can cut it on. And like I said, you can see the stuff starting to come out right now. See all that hair starting to come out. And mind you, I don't use this pair of clippers right here nowhere near as much as I use my seniors, my masters, my rose gold FXs. So just imagine the hair that's coming out of those. And that's why I like to do this process right here, man, at least twice a month, man, just to keep everybody safe, man, because sanitation is key no matter what industry you're in. And you can see, like, it's been going on for way longer than 10 seconds, and we still got hair steady coming out. And I mean, like I said, this is a clipper that I really don't use like that. And at the same time, I know y'all can see the mess that it's making, and that's why I like to keep something up under it. So about right there, I would say it's about done. So you want to shake your clipper or your trimmer off just to get everything else off. And I don't have one on hand, but normally you want to just brush everything else off, because you're going to have, I don't know if you guys can see that right there, a little extra hair on the sides. And if you want to do it one more time, you can do it one more time. So I'm going to show you guys. Normally I go through it about 2 or 3 times, and then I leave it alone. So as you guys can see, it's pretty much done now. No more hairs coming out of it. But like I said, this process right here probably takes you no more than 5 to 10 minutes, but it will save you a lot of money by keeping your blades lubricated. And I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but my clipper is actually, to me, running more powerful. I can feel it in my hand. It sounds better. sounds more smooth. It sounds like it's operating the way it's supposed to, with the lever closed and the lever open as well. And like I said, man, this is something I wish I would have invested into early on in my career. And these are my Supreme trimmers. If you're looking for this trimmer right here, I will link everything in the description. I really don't use this pair of trimmers right here anymore. I use the second one that they sent me. And of course, being that this is a trimmer, you can't open the lever up. So all you're gonna do, stick it in there. 1, 2, 3. And as you guys can see, even with that right there, and I don't use these at all. And hair and debris is steady coming out of these trimmers right here. I kind of only use these trimmers now to ball it out, honestly. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty shocked how much hair is coming out of these, because I haven't used them probably all week, man. For the last 2 weeks, honestly. That's crazy. So we're gonna shake them off. So you can, I don't know if y'all can hear the difference over the camera or not, but it sounds much better. It sounds more powerful and everything. So we're gonna do it one more time. And I don't see no more like hair or debris coming out, so I think we got this one pretty good. But yeah, so like, look at the mess that it made. You know what I'm saying? That's why you kind of want to have a paper towel, a brown paper bag, or whatever the case may be. Something that's going to catch majority of the product, whether you're using an Andis cleaner, Oster cleaner, whatever the case may be. You want to have something that's just going to catch majority of the product. So once you're done with this, you're pretty much done. All you have to do now, take this right here, with the debris, with the hair in it, dump it outside, dump it down the wash drain, whatever you want to do with it. Just get it out the shop, and now you got nice clean clippers. And you know what I'm saying, like, Cool Care is cool between cuts, but at the same time, Cool Care is just like for a quick disinfectant, you know what I'm saying? So like using H42, anything with that type of product, that type of chemicals in it, is going to take that next step, something that Cool Care doesn't do. So you guys can take the time and just read the ingredients that H42 or any product like this has, and then compare it to Cool Care or the clipper side with the Oster, and it's just all different type of things, man. So, you know, like I said, if you find anything in this video informative, man, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, drop a comment in the comment section, man. Let me know if you're doing this. If you're not, let me know if you see a difference when you start doing it. And until next time, man, y'all be blessed, man. Road to 2K, we back, baby. Let's go.